What's up, guys? It's Calvin. I'm just here doing Melissa's voiceover today for her video. So today it looks like we're going to start off with the eyebrows, filling them bad boys in, making them look a little bit more full, a little bit more plump, got a little bit more detail in there, creasing them out, making them look good. I don't really know what I'm talking about, but she does. Looks like she's going in next with some concealer right under the eyebrow, just to add a little bit more flair, make that eyebrow just a little bit more sharp. Here it looks like she's about to add some powder right to the eyelid, maybe to set a good base for I'm seeing what's next is a winged liner. She would be proud that I know that. But she always does them really good. They always come out really sharp, really precise, always to the point, skinny. Most of the time she always freaks out, but I think they turn out great. Love you, queen. You do great work. Checking it out. Next, we're going in with some moisturizer. I feel like this is very important. You don't want to be putting no makeup on no crusty face, but make sure that you always rub this in good. Now she's going in with a little bit of concealer on the face alongside with the neck. You want to make sure that your face is blended in with your neck. She always repeats how important that is, especially to me when she's doing her makeup. But yeah, she's blending it all in. You want to make sure you get it good so you don't have any patchy spots, as smooth as possible along the forehead, working it out. Next, it looks like she's going in with a slight contour. Actually, that sweater looks really good on your skin. It's really making your makeup pop. Good choice. Next step, a little bit of concealer on the chin and on the nose, maybe just to look a little sharper. Bring out some of those loose ends, patting it in. I'm seeing a little bit of concealer now added under the eye, dabbed in with maybe a different brush, something more pointy, so we don't have like a smudgy look under the eye. You don't want it to look smudgy. Pat it up, rub it in, blend it out. Just keep blending. Contouring is next. We're going to rub some of this along the cheeks. And I guess it just adds a little bit of a sharper look to the face. It makes the face look a little bit more pointy. After this, I'm pretty sure she's going to follow up with, yep, I was right, with some blush. I feel like this is one of her favorite things to do. She likes to get those little cheekbones, hit it with the blush really good, especially next. I already know what she's doing. I know she's hitting the nose, but we're about to go in with the almighty highlight. You can see her from the moon. You can see her from Mars. Yeah, that thing glowing. I see you. That thing is glowing. You look good, girl. Look at that. Highlight along the bottom lip, along top of the nose. Yep. A little inner corner on the eye. Just to add a little bit of shine on that inner corner, maybe some along the bottom of the eyebrow as well. But you cannot have makeup without setting it, because if you don't set that shit, it will run. Now we curl in these eyelashes just so we can get it ready for some mascara. Rub it all up into them eyelashes, make them look longer, make them look fuller. Working on these lips now. Looks like we just kind of dabbing it up, getting some of that makeup off of the lid so we can get it ready for some lip gloss. I think this is Rihanna's lip gloss right here, that Fenty. And this is the finished look with a little bit of puppy breath. Man, that stink. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. It was an honor doing this. This is us getting our thumbnail right here, but we hope you enjoy, and we are out. Peace.